Earlier in our unit, we learned about heat. We learned that the sun is the Earth's main source of energy, and that by burning something or creating friction, we can also produce heat. In this web quest, we are going to further explore the idea of heat and how it can be transferred from one object to another. Have you ever wondered why we wear coats like the one pictured here during the winter to stay warm? Or why we use metal pots and pans to cook our food on the stove? The materials these objects are made of influence how heat is transferred from one object to another. Some objects are insulators. They do not allow heat to pass through them easily. Think about when you get a drink at Chick-fil-A. What type of cup do they give you? That's right, a styrofoam cup. These cups are used because they are insulators. They do not let the heat from your hand or the sun pass through it easily, which keeps your drink colder longer. We also use thick blankets or comforters on our beds in the winter to keep us warm. This is because they are also insulators. Other objects allow heat to pass through them quickly. These objects are called conductors. Examples of conductors are metal pots and pans. We use them to cook our food because the heat from the stove is easily transferred to the food in the pan. When we have objects such as ice, we want it to stay frozen for as long as possible. But if it is exposed to heat, it ends up melting and turning into liquid. Your task at the end of this web quest is to design a container that will keep ice frozen for as long as possible. You will pitch the idea for your container to your peers. Each peer will vote on the container they feel will do the best job of keeping the ice frozen.